Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to leave broadcast channel on Instagram. Okay, first of all, you can open your Instagram application on your phone, and after you have your Instagram application opened, you can go to Instagram direct message to open the broadcast channel you have joined on Instagram, and click on this message icon to open your Instagram direct message. And this is the broadcast channel that I have joined on my Instagram. So we can tap on the broadcast channel, and we can tap on the broadcast channel's name right here. Okay, and here we can click on this three dots button on the options button right here, and you can simply tap on leave to leave the broadcast channel. And actually there is another way to leave the broadcast channel. You just need to long press on the broadcast channel, then you can click on leave. Alright guys, and that's how we can leave broadcast channel we have joined on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.